Chase! Chase! Where'd Chase go? Where did 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 Chase go? Chase! Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. You got my finger. Oh, you got my finger. Jace, come here. Jace. Come here. Come here. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come here. Come to Aunt Brianna. Come to Aunt Brianna. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come to Aunt Brianna. Come to Aunt Brianna. Come here. Come on, Bubba. Come to Aunt Brianna. Come on. I see that face. Hi, Mr. JJ. Jace. Come on. Come on. Get up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Grab my hand. Grab my hand. Come on.
Oh, I just...
Are you stuck, buddy?
I got one stent in there.
Are you stuck? You stuck, Bubba? You stuck?
Exercising.
Hello.
I said, okay. So I'm definitely going to do that.
Ooh. What? Oh, really? Is there more? Is there more, Bubba?
She said, I really
Talk to Aunt Brianna. Talk to me. Come on. Jace. Jace. What are you doing, Bubba? Jace.
Well,
let me see that face. Let me see that face.
and it's the old timey you stop
Da,
with
da,
the
da, da.
brakes, and the handlebars come out like this, and it's got a real good because I'm giving her my bike.
What are you doing? Oh, oopsie daisies.
I told her she could have it because I want to go bike riding.
I see that smile. Hi, mister.
They have the bikes on sale for $88. I said after tax it's $94.
Aunt Brianna loves
I
you.
only have very few left.
Aunt Brianna loves you.
Mine told me they didn't see
Aunt Brianna loves you.
Oh, the bike.
I love your hair. It's so soft. How do you make your hair soft? Can you tell me? How do you make your hair soft?
And it wanted to give you
Can you tell me?
and everything.
Tell Aunt Brianna.
It's telling me on my end no, and she said I'll just wait till I come home Sunday. And I'll
Tell Aunt Brianna.
I said, all right. I said, I'll just hope that
What are you doing, Bubba?
because if it's not
What are you doing?
like the store, then they'll have to assemble the bike for you because it'll come in a box.
What you doing? Can you dance? Can you dance? Wiggle. Shake your bottom.
Well,
Wiggle.
I wouldn't do it. I
Wiggle for Aunt Brianna.
But I normally
Shake your butt.
get bikes straight off the floor. Oh my God. There's sometimes I freak out on my
You trying to show off? You trying to show off? You trying to show off, Bubba? Try and get everyone's attention.
He said, you're just fine.
You're so spoiled.
Now I'm a
Aunt Brianna loves you, Bubba.